No, this isn't a bodybuilding competition, but this is me right here. This was a bodybuilding competition, this photograph. Welcome to TradingStocksLive.com. You guys didn't know I was a bodybuilder, did you? This is me waiting, looking anxiously waiting the decision from the judges, and I won. Okay, so congratulations to me. Okay. At TradingStocksLive.com, we win everything. We fight hard and we win hard. Okay. We're gonna look at the right here. I'm going to put a recommendation in to buy the spiders right here at 114.86. 114.86. We're going to buy the 86 levels. Okay. Now that's what it's trading for. Now let's take a look right here. 186. 114.86. We're going to get an official time for you guys. Let's see if I can pull a time up for you guys and show you. Official time, United States. Okay, official time. Time zone, Eastern Standard Time. That's the time the stock market is on. The official time here is 2:36 p.m. Thursday, March 11, 2010. Okay, let's pull the chart back up here and look what happens. The stock already jumped from the 114.86 level to the 93 level, just like I said it would. Okay. Now, we're not going to sell here. We're probably going to sell half of our position of 100,000 shares. Okay. We're going to sell half of our position, 100,000 shares. And that's going to make us a nice sum right there. But the spiders are going to continue to move up. They're going to move on each bar. Each bar, the spiders are going to continue to move up. You guys seen the time, an official time on Google. Let's go back one more time. Let's do an official time. Official time on Google, which is right. This is an official time and it's running. I cannot manipulate the official time. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, one more time. Official time. Search. Okay, this is live. Show you guys this is live. Okay, the official U.S. time right here. Eastern Standard Time. It is 2:37. 2:37. Let's go back to the chart of the spiders. Okay. Now, while we're looking at this, my system told me to purchase right here, and I did. I told you guys get in 11 at a 114.86, and you guys get in 114.86. And right now, the 100,000 shares, that investment almost reached 10,000 just in a matter of seconds. Now you guys see what I'm looking for, a high net worth individual. Okay. Now I want to show you guys something. We're looking at the spiders, which is an ETF. The spiders, so you guys know, is a nickname for the that's why they call the spider SPDR Trust. You know, it's the Spiders Trust, SPY. The SPY is an ETF, an exchange traded fund that tracks the performance of the S&P 500. Or so what it does basically is it takes into account all 500 companies that's traded in the S&P. The S&P stands for Standard & Poor's. Standard is similar to like the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow Jones takes 30 of the top companies and it tells you what they're doing. So S&P 500 is a more broader index. It is an index. However, the spiders, what we're investing in is one stock that you can invest in, as opposed to investing in each one of the 500 companies, large companies. Okay. Now, let's say, okay, and we see the spiders going to, they're going to continue to go up without a doubt. The system we have is foolproof, so we're not going to, I mean, you guys can just keep an eye on this bar. Now, let's follow me to the side over here. We're at 114.95. Now let's go. I got you guys in at 114.86. So we're at 96 now. It's gonna continue to go up. So that 10 cents on 100,000 shares represents $10,000. I'm gonna show you guys something else. Then I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna log back in because we're making more than just $10,000. By the way, I would have my investor. We would have sold here, like I told you guys. We would have sold for a $8, $9, $10,000 gain real fast. Actually, we would have sold maybe half of our position just for a quick $5,000 gain real fast in a few minutes time. How many? Now I'm gonna show you guys something. A lot of people preach about volume bars. See the volume bars around 12 noon. See how the volume bars, and we see the Spiders Trust this morning around 9 o'clock. It ran up to a high of 115.05, and all of a sudden it just ran all the way down on high volume. Now, as soon as now, let's say if you'd have been watching here, let's say if you were subscribed, I'm gonna show you guys why you don't want to pay attention to just volume, how you're being tricked, and how these stocks prices are being manipulated by hedge funds, investment banks, and other entities, larger investors. Now, let's say that if this is if it was around this time or afternoon, and this is what we seen. Okay, we seen a lot of volume come in. The stocks were at their lowest around 9:30 when the market opened. I can see it slam down a little bit, which was kind of scary, right? And as soon as it slammed down, what happened? On high volume, it slammed down. We see a couple more volume bars. What happened? It slammed up. So a lot of investors were shooken out right here, and they sold. By the time they got their senses together, they were getting just to get in and start buying. How many times have you bought stock, put in a wick, and what ran straight down on you on high volume? So now you already took a loss here. So now you were selling on the way down, take another loss, and guess what happens? Bam, the stock runs right back up. So now you get back into the market, and guess what happens? Bam, it runs right back down. How many times have that happened? It's a reason these stock prices are being manipulated. But the system that we have, it sees through what's called high frequency trading. I want you guys to Google what high frequency trading is and the negative impact that it's having on the market. The spiders will continue to move up. It will continue to move upward. Don't be shaken out by if you see these dojis or whatever you if you see let's say if you see a doji is a price reversal bar. If you see a doji, whether it's a dragonfly doji or long leg doji or gravestone doji, don't be shaken out the market by that. We see volume coming in lightly, but don't rely just upon volume to dictate what the stock price is going to do, because you will get tricked. All right, welcome back to TradingStocksLive.com. The time is, well, this bar right here is 1500. It's 3 o'clock. Watch the time here, guys. Okay, 1500, 3 o'clock. Okay, what happened while you guys were going? I got you guys in here around the 114.86 area. Remember, we seen a small pullback right here. Now that pullback is what's known as a shakeout. We have a lot of hit. These are the games that Wall Street plays with you. They give you you will get a long. First of all, you will get wicked out. A lot of investors, especially day traders, get wicked out right around. See these wicks. Wicks are upper and lower shadows that are extremely long. A lot of investors on this volume bar bought. As soon as they bought, the price slammed down. But now watch over here. MA stands for moving average. 10 stands for 10-day. The only thing that happens was the price came down to the 10-day moving average. Now we see a little more strength coming back in now. So what happened a little earlier, a few minutes earlier, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes earlier, the stock, the S&Ps, we're just doing with the spiders. Let's follow them over here. Spiders. They put in a wick here and came down, upper shadow here and came down. So now, and that was on high volumes. Notice the volume here and follow the volume bar up. You see this volume bar. Now it's going to continue to move up. This is going to start to sail into this strength. Okay, this is not the time to buy. A lot of investors are, oh no, the stock's moving up, I want to buy. No, because the stock is going to slam down in a second. In a few seconds, the spiders are going to turn around. They're going to run down real fast. But okay, we're going to continue to sell. We're going to sell another 5% of our position. We're going to sell. Now watch here. The price is at 115.09. Okay, it's going to continue to move up because we're up to date approximately $25,000 already. So we're going to be satisfied with that 25,000. We're going to add it to the 60,000 that we made yesterday, and that's nearly $100,000 in 2 days. Actually, it's just in a few minutes. It's not even an hour of trading. Actually, we're going to log out right here.